Hey everyone, the holiday season is well underway, and many of you have chosen to travel, and I get it. It's been a long year, and you want to spend time with your family. So, a few safety tips. This will be very quick. Some of you who have chosen to travel by plane or by bus, remember that this time of year always calls for a lot of people. So, remember to practice social distancing as best as you can, which I call personal space, and we should have been doing it long before COVID. And be mindful of one another. Be kind. And remember, guys, with a lot of people out, people will be coughing and clearing their throats. Not every cough is a COVID cough. We've been coughing way before COVID, and we'll be coughing after. Now, when it comes to sanitizing, once you've sanitized your hands about 3 times, it's best to use soap and water. Soap and water is always the best option, but once you are on the go, of course, you have to sanitize your hands. Once you've reached your destination and you are with your loved ones, limit the amount of people that's in the kitchen that's actually preparing the food. We want to stay safe as possible. And once you reach your destination, if you're feeling under the weather for any reason, let everyone know the symptoms that you're experiencing and seek medical attention if it hasn't resolved. And also, guys, remember that this time of year calls for love, peace, and joy. Be kind to one another. And remember, we are all in this together. Peace and love.